Lewiston at Jester's Garage. Old Blue gets fired up for the first time, and we go for a drive.
This Model A pickup is a special truck. A few days ago, the guys down at Leonard's Jalopy shop pushed this old girl outside and fired it up for the first time since she's been restored. This truck has been from coast to coast.
Gas would be on. It went clear down and started filling up my water separator immediately. Like my water separator. Here. Choke? Yeah, choke it.
There's your ignition on.
Does that have to stay out? Oh, there we go. The ignition will be on. Okay, keys on.
Neutral.
Yeah.
You did it?
What? Barely turned over to the line. Push the choke in a little. Right there. Pretty killer.
That was so cool.
Such a wonderful tribute to Len Thomas.
Look at that. The natural Jess in his natural habitat. Stalking out.
Stalking it.
Sounds like this.
You want to see stalking? Here's.
I just realized I got caught in that camera.
Yeah, you did. You got
The dirty face again.
Yeah. Yeah. Clean that face,
I
you.
just washed.
You're so dirty.
What's that?
Keep the camera rolling, I'll go start hosing them off.
Rob, Nate, and Dax did so much work to that Model A body.
Yeah.
Including replacing the back of the cab and massaging every square inch. I'm sure Michelle's dad would be super proud. Well, let's get back to today and take this thing for a drive. Meanwhile, on the back streets of Lewiston, Idaho, we find an old alley that's a bit of a time machine. And it allows us to tell a story. Michelle's dad, Len Thomas, was a teacher at Fillmore High School in California, where he created a course for auto restoration. And because of his love for all things Model A, his class entered into the History Channel's Great Race program between '99 and '01. The rules speculate that the parent drives and the student navigates. But they had to find a Model A first, and this one was a complete basket case. It was in pieces. More on that story later. H&H supplied the Model A long block. It's got H-beam rods, counterweighted crankshaft, fully sleeved, hardened seats, got touring grind, on the camshaft. It's got 5.5 to 1 with the aluminum head. And that gives this Model A the perfect amount of torque for touring. You gotta love that Speedo.
People are just dying to get in there, huh?
Yeah. Some of these people may have driven this thing.
Yes. Well, we gotta find, there's an old park over there. Pioneer Park.
Pioneer.
Yeah.
On the back side of it.
Now we can finish our story. After Len drove it from coast to coast, he kept the truck. Then he drove it in tours and parades for approximately 20 years. When Michelle inherited it, it needed some work, so she picked Leonard's Jalopy shop to do the restoration, and what a fine job they did.
You having fun yet?
Having a blast.
Yeah, nice.
Love this thing.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. We appreciate your viewership. Like and subscribe if you'd like to. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next episode of Jester's Garage.